A home renovation can get you your dream home, but finding a high-quality local contractor is time-consuming. Financing home repairs can even be more tedious and frustrating, and the terms are often unworkable. TGUC Financial is the perfect solution. We provide affordable loans and quality contractors to make your dream home real. You get funding with lower rates, lower payment options, and longer duration. In addition, we automatically connect you with insured and licensed contractors in our platform that we have underwritten, vetted, and approved. Have your own preferred contractor? No problem. We can work with them and still provide funding for your project. Getting started is easy. All you have to do is fill out a short form. Once approved, you are automatically matched with our contractors to get quotes. You deserve to live in your dream house. Apply today to get your project started with TGUC Financial.